Hey everyone, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sell Alibaba products on Amazon. I'm going to provide a walkthrough on how to effectively source products from Alibaba to private label and sell through Amazon FBA. Sourcing profitable products is one of the most important parts of building a successful Amazon business. And Alibaba is the largest global marketplace connecting entrepreneurs like you with suppliers and manufacturers in China and around the world. So if you want to take your Amazon FBA business to the next level, be sure to watch this video all the way through so you don't miss out on any important steps. There are certainly many other options out there. You can look for products locally, travel overseas to visit markets in person, or use other websites that connect you to wholesalers. However, Alibaba has some major advantages, especially when you're first getting started. It is the largest global B2B marketplace with suppliers and manufacturers from all over the world. The majority of sellers active on Amazon source their products on Alibaba. There is a huge breadth of products. Virtually any type of physical good that you want to sell can be found here. Over 95% of the products selling on Amazon originate from suppliers on Alibaba. It's also very cost-effective and time-efficient. You save on travel expenses and language barriers by sourcing remotely online. And suppliers are vetted for authenticity, and you can filter for trade assurance, protected listings. This helps avoid scams when buying internationally sight unseen. So as an entrepreneur, it's all about maximizing your time and money. So it makes the most sense to start your search where the selection is the largest and the suppliers are more thoroughly vetted. And that's why for most Amazon sellers, Alibaba is the go-to starting point to source profitable product to then sell under your own brand. So to get started with the first step, we need to create an Alibaba account. So now you can browse Alibaba without an account if you want to scope it out first, but when you're ready, we have to create an account. So simply go to alibaba.com and click join for free. Enter your email address and set a password. It's very easy and straightforward to create an account on it. You will be prompted to provide some basic personal and company information, so provide as much detail as possible even if you're just starting out. And then verify your email and phone number via the code that Alibaba sends. After that, your account will be fully created and you can start searching for products and suppliers. Now that we have an account, it's time for the second step, which is searching for suppliers of the specific product that you want to source. The key here is very targeted search using relevant keywords, and for that you will have to do some keyword research. Go to alibaba.com and enter a descriptive keyword. Simply type whatever keyword you're trying to target into the search bar, and finally do some image search to find a listing for your product on Amazon and download the main image. On Alibaba, click the camera icon to do an image search and upload the photo, and that way with a visual search you can quickly find and pinpoint the products with the exact look and design elements that you are after. Once you've executed the search, you will see a list of matching products pop up. Now we need to filter down the legitimate suppliers. After searching on Alibaba, you will likely get hundreds of product listings in your results. So your next step is filtering, sorting and assessing the suppliers to identify reputable, established manufacturers so that you can work with. Some of the key criteria and filters that I recommend using is sort by suppliers instead of products. This groups listings by seller, and filter by trade assurance. This is Alibaba's verified supplier program, so the sellers have passed the verification checks. You could also check for years in business and look for 5+ years of experience. This indicates an established manufacturer. Obviously, review suppliers' ratings and feedback left by other buyers and aim for 4+ stars. So the goal is to vet the suppliers thoroughly up front to avoid the headaches or getting scammed down the road. Now that you've identified some reputable suppliers manufacturing your target product, it's time to reach out. For this, I recommend emailing at least 5 to 10 prospective suppliers to start a conversation and explore the options. So personalize each email with the supplier's name and the company. Mention their specific product that you're interested in. You can ask questions to gauge their capabilities. So for example, do they have ready stock available to ship quickly, or what are the minimum order quantities? And then sign off as a representative of your company, even if it's just you right now. Add your title like founder of, and then write your brand and business name. This builds some credibility. And at this stage, you don't have to ask for a formal quote or negotiate the price yet. We're just opening communication channels and assessing the supplier's responsiveness and capabilities. And once you've evaluated all of the options and selected your top choice supplier, it's time to place a small test order. So I recommend starting with a test order for a few reasons. It allows you to evaluate the product quality firsthand before committing to a large order. You can assess the supplier's fulfillment process, including their communication, lead times, packaging, and shipping. and it establishes your relationship with the supplier and builds trust on both ends. So closely inspect your test order when it arrives to ensure that the product quality meets your standards. This step is crucial to avoid getting stuck with a large volume of poor quality inventory. And if everything checks out, you can now scale up with confidence in this vetted supplier. Sourcing profitable products is truly the backbone of a successful Amazon FBA business, and learning to effectively leverage Alibaba is an invaluable skill that you should absolutely learn in your journey. While it does take time and diligence up front, the payoff can be huge in the long run when you launch your own branded products and see your Amazon sales take off. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that this walkthrough has given you a clear blueprint for navigating Alibaba and identifying the best manufacturing partners. Let us know if you have any other questions in the comment section down below, and if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future content that we make similar to this one.